Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to fix iOS 17 battery draining fast issue. 6 common methods are tested in this video. Method 1. Manage the apps that consumes the most battery. Tap Settings. Go down and tap the battery. Then you can see how much battery each app has consumed. Now go back to Settings and choose General. Tap Background App Refresh. Now you can disable the apps that are using the most battery. Method 2. Turn on the low power mode. Tap Settings. Tap Battery. Turn on low power mode and confirm it. Method 3. Perform a simple reset. Tap Settings. Tap General. Choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Oh, you are asked to enter the screen passcode. Tap Reset all settings twice. Soon, the iPhone is erased. Method 4. Fix the iOS battery drain issue with iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. You should make sure iTunes is installed on your computer. Go to iSunshare.com and then download the iOS Repair Genius program. After that, install it on your computer. Then open iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. Choose System Repair on the left side. Click Standard Mode. Click Start. Then connect your iPhone to the computer. Click Next on the software. You are asked to download the firmware package. Click Download to go ahead. Minutes later, click Repair. Well done, the iPhone is repaired successfully. Then your iPhone will restart and you can check whether the battery still drains fast or not. Method 5. Get a new battery on the iPhone. Tap Settings. Tap Battery. Then choose Battery Health and Charging. Here you can see the percentage of the maximum capacity. If it is below 80 and it is better to get a new battery for your iPhone. Method 6. Optimize the iPhone settings. Tap Settings. Choose Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size. After that, enable the Auto Brightness. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.